Hey friends, Karen Baskett DIYer here. All right, you guys, today I have an unboxing and review that I'm going to be doing for you. The company HTVRONT reached out to me and they have released a manual heat press. Now, you might be going, Karen, why another heat press? Well, I have their auto press, which is amazing, but I think they wanted to release a more budget-friendly alternative, such as this manual heat press. So stay tuned, follow along, and I'm going to unbox this, tell you what I think of it, and put it to use. As you open it, right on top of the box, you will find the owner's manual, which was very easy to read and understand. And this is very well packaged, I might add. You'll also find the control panel, which has a cord you will see here in a bit. Again, very well packaged. I don't think you would have to worry about any damages during shipping because of the thick styrofoam packing. It only weighs around 35 pounds and is pretty manageable to get up there on my table, as you can see. I immediately started playing with all the knobs and gadgets, trying to figure it out before actually reading the manual. This is definitely a simple machine to operate. I will tell you that when I first started making t-shirts, I started with a manual press that was not so great. It was hard to manage accurate pressure, and the hot plate never seemed to be accurate. But this one seems to be very simple, and it feels like the pressure is going to be very even all over. And now then, I'm going to show you the control panel. Here's the cord that I mentioned earlier. You simply attach it. It's got a little USB port. You attach it to the control panel and you're good to go. Now I've got it set up where I'm actually going to be using it. And here I'm just showing you how to operate the control pad. You simply turn the temperature dial to regulate the temperature, and same for the time. Here you'll see that I'm just getting the pressure regulated just by turning the knob up or down. It has an arm swing span of 180 degrees to the left or 180 degrees to the right. Unfortunately, my setup here doesn't allow me to swing it all the way back, but that's all right. I've got a pre-made DTF transfer that I'm going to be applying to this t-shirt. I'm just getting it centered up and in place here and applying some heat transfer tape to hold it in place. Now then, to set my time and temp, simply power it on, use the temperature knob to select your temperature and the time knob to select your time. Now that my machine has preheated, I'm just going to go ahead and open it up and lay my shirt right on top there. Unfortunately, the machine does not come with a Teflon sheet, so I'm using one that I already had. I'm covering up my transfer, swinging it back over and pulling the handle down to apply the pressure. And then I will press the time button for a couple of seconds until it beeps 3 times, and then it begins. Once my 15 seconds is up, I just release the pressure. And this is a cold peel DTF transfer, so I'm gonna let my shirt cool and peel it. And then I need to apply 15 more seconds of heat and pressure. You'll definitely need to use a Teflon sheet for this step. And again, 15 more seconds of heat and pressure. And I have a beautiful t-shirt. This machine is so incredibly easy to use. You certainly want to follow the instructions for whatever product you're using, whether it be HTV, puff, DTF transfers, or whatnot. But the sleek design of this product is amazing, just like all the other HTVRONT presses and products that I've received. It's very simple to use, and I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing, review, and tutorial. Stay tuned for more videos. Also, a huge shout out to HTVRONT for creating another wonderful, user-friendly product.